Hi and welcome to my YouTube. Before I start this video, just have a look at this clip. Let's do open, shut, open. This clip is from one of my kids' YouTube channel video. This video is about baby and toddlers learning and the green screen is used to make this video. My today's video is about how you can start your own kids YouTube channel. If you're a mother, a teacher, or you're just someone who loves kids, you can start this channel. Let me show you examples of some successful YouTubers who are working in this niche. You can see this channel here with name Miss Apple, and there are more than 100,000 subscribers with only 65 videos. This channel also has more than 100,000 subscribers. And the biggest example is Miss Rachel with 17 million subscribers. And you can see the videos where the green screen is used. All of the parents know all these nursery rhymes. So what you have to do is you have to sing these nursery rhymes in front of green screen. And you're only paying the price of green screen. You don't need a professional stand for this purpose to put your green screen on. I show you my green screen which I use for my videos. This is my green screen which I attached on a wall, and this is me. I have a kids channel for my son and one for my daughter as well, and they use the same screen as I do. All you need to start this channel is a mobile phone with a camera, Canva. You don't need a pro subscription, and just the free version works perfectly fine. Then you need any video editor. The video editor I use to edit my videos is totally free. And the video clips you have just watched are also edited in the same video editor. I put the link in the description. You can download in your app store. I'm not promoting this app, it's just as per my own experience because I like this and it works perfect with green screen. So let's have a look at how you can start your own kids channel without wasting your time. First, you need to open ChatGPT in your mobile or in your PC, whatever you have. Then ask ChatGPT to write a script for baby learning, toddler learning, or any kind of learning you want. Like you can ask kids from age 2 to 4, you can ask kids from age 1 to 2, or anything you want to speak on. I normally do toddler learning videos. So ask ChatGPT to write a script for a toddler learning video about saying please and thank you. And ta-da! Here is the script. ChatGPT will give you the whole script for your video. All you have to do is practice 1, 2, 3 times until you're good at it, and put your green screen on the wall and start recording yourself. Once you have recorded the video, next comes the background. Canva will help in this. Open Canva and go to video, YouTube video here, and then go to elements. Go to elements and ask for any kind of background you want. Like if you're making a video on farm animals, ask Canva to give you a background for farm animals. Farm animals. As my video is about saying please and thank you, so I will ask Canva to give me a background with a baby room or a kids room or a living room with many toys and some bright colors. If you like bright colors, go for bright colors, like any kind of background you want for your kids video. If you're making zoo animals video, it will give you background of a zoo. So anything you can ask from Canva. You can also create your own background from here, which is Magic Media. And you can give any instruction, whatever you want Canva to make for you. Like I will write, please make a baby room background with many toys. This is square. I need landscape for video, so I have chosen here. Then generate image. You can ask in detail a bright room or animated graphics or anything. Just suppose I like this one. I just click on this image and this image will be my video background. The next thing is just go to download here and download. Press at download and it will be ready for your video background. Next process is editing video. Open video editor and click at new project.
and choose the background you have made in Canva. Now click at PIP here. You can click at the video you have recorded in front of green screen. I've selected this video here just to show you. Crop it and keep whatever you want. Then make it bigger. Click at chroma and select the color you don't want in your video. And then see where you don't see the green color anymore. Here it is okay. I think here is okay. When you think it's okay, just click on yes, and your video is ready.
A, B, C.
Changes, you can add music, you can change colors, filters and everything. Once you're happy with the video, load and save.
I hope you enjoyed this idea of starting a YouTube channel. Please look after yourself and remember me in your prayers. Good luck to your YouTube journey. See you later in next video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.